Hello, my name is Jamie Brand with 360 Yield Center. As many of you have purchased 360 chain roll technology or are in the process of potentially doing that and looking at that product for this fall or beyond, we just really want to go through the testing that we do with the product as far as just understanding how it's going to fit on your corn head. So it's no mystery to anybody that we do carry very high tolerances, and the reason that we do that is because we want to do a lot with that corn head as far as cutting and crimping and being able to manage that residue. So today we're just going to take a few minutes to go through how we test these rolls and really what to look for when you get them out onto your farm. So let's look a little bit deeper in the way that we test this technology before it goes out to the farmers. So the first thing we do is we pull the lefts and the rights out of the boxes and we put them on these shafts that basically are the exact shafts that you guys have on your heads. And so we torque them down exactly like you would torque them down, which are right on the specs. And then we turn these on this machine at the same RPM or very similar RPM that you would in the field. So it's important for us here at the production center to basically put these in a situation that you're going to be putting these in. So we ran these here on the stand and we did not see any issues with clearance. So what we're going to do to tell you as you get them out of the box how we ran them, so you know as a starting point. So we're going to turn these and we're basically going to put these marks right here, and basically what that's going to tell you is that's how we ran them. So the first thing we would recommend that you doing is that you put these on just the same way that we did. You're going to turn them and you're going to basically not hear any tinging. If you do hear tinging and you've got them lined up, which is not uncommon, is that your shaft may be slightly dog-legged, or there may be something a little bit slightly different with your row unit than our row unit. Still might be in spec, it still might be fine, but what we want you to do then is loosen these and basically turn these rolls 180 degrees so that the mark is just opposite of each other. And when we do that, we get on the other side of these shafts, and if there is a slight bend or something like that, about 90% of the time or greater, we take that away. It's not uncommon that when we're doing this, that as we put that head on that combine and we go and we crank it up and at full RPMs with 12 rows or 8 rows running, that you hear just a little bit of a ting. That is not uncommon. As soon as you go to the field, put that head under load, get everything broke in, everything shines up, and that problem really goes away, if there is one. We really want our growers to have a great experience with 360 chain roll. It's industry-leading technology to be able to manage residue, and these are just a few of the things that we want to make sure that you guys know as you get ready to go to the field to have the best experience that you can.